YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special website review. Check these guys out. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. This is courtesy of OneByOneSoft.com. They also offer a 20% off code for all their products once you click that link down below. They have Microsoft Windows. You can purchase at a discounted price. You got Microsoft Windows Home, Windows 10, and other bundles they have to offer. So definitely check them out if you're looking for something new for your PC. So, and then like I said, you get the 20% off right now. All you gotta do is click the link down below. You can use PayPal and others. It'll be downloaded right to you. And they got Windows 11 Pro, Windows 10 Home, Microsoft 365. And then they got the other ones. It's a really nice website. Definitely a safe website to click. No viruses, no nothing like that. No spam. Just great deals on software that you're going to need. It's always good to have a backup copy of Windows, just in case your computer crashes, stuff like that. So click on the link, and I'll add this one, because I already got Windows 11, but you never know when you're going to need it again. And it's a full version. It's not no limited trial runs or nothing like that. So they got Microsoft Word, Microsoft Windows 11 Pro. So they got it all. All you got to do is click. Really smooth to use, easy to operate. Great website. And OneByOneSoft it is called. So definitely check them out, guys. Like I said, Windows OS, Office apps, Microsoft 365, Microsoft Office. They got home and student, home and business. So they have a lot to choose from. Just make sure you click that link down below. And that'll be it for today. Be safe. Have a good day. See you soon.